Hey, today I'm gonna show how I use average non-adhesive rhinestones to make sparkling freckles. For this makeup, apart from the rhinestones, I use a lash glue, a wax pencil for rhinestones, and a few micro brushes. I squeeze out a drop of glue and using a micro brush paint little dots on my face, just like freckles. The glue needs some time to set, so I wait a few seconds before applying the stones. I use the pencil to pick the diamond up and put it on top of the glue dot. Then press a little for it to fixate. It holds them really well and is very easy to remove. I use coconut oil for removal since just tugging them off is a little painful in my opinion. You can use any lash glue. I prefer this one by Huda since it has only 2 ingredients and seems safe to me. I also recommend to use rhinestones of slightly different size for a more uneven effect. By the way, don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. I love this makeup and the sparkling looks particularly great outside under the street lamps. Thanks for watching. Bye.